from Sarasota Motorsports after them holding it for 4 weeks, more than 4 weeks, I believe, sitting out unprotected. It was in a garage, but it was not protected like I do here and under cover. So I'm imagining that as it sat there, some games were played or somebody accidentally hit a wrench against this spot here, because this was definitely not there when I dropped it off. There's no doubt about it, because I wax this bike every day, almost, exaggerating a little bit. So I would have known, and if they had saw it when I brought it in, they would have said something, because this is a custom paint job. This bike does not come with this paint, these stripes. And I'm recording this on March 30th. The blame is apparent. It's theirs. They should pay for it. Let's see what happens.